Well, thanks for the opportunity to let me show you what I've just created. This is my second one. I come from a Midwest farm family, so this is really dear to my heart to make something that reminds me of my grandparents, my past, and how hard all the farmers work to feed the nation and the world. I've used a lot of different things. I went to a salvage yard, grabbed some parts. A lot of these gears, all the levers are from a 1930s John Deere side delivery rake that I pulled into my driveway. I stripped it down to nothing, grabbed the parts off of what I need, incorporated them into this. The tank is from a factory, I think over in eastern Iowa, that I got that from. And some of the other stuff is new. I just patinaed it or made it rust to match everything else. But I just want to thank everybody for watching, and the guys on YouTube that have smokers that have just helped me be inspired to do something myself, to create something fun. So thanks for watching, and yeah. Okay, let me show you the firebox first. Let's get the draft control. I've got a lever here, runs all your intake, different settings. Okay, got that all going. Inside, just a wood rack, 24 by 24 by 24 is the size of the box. I'll pull that rack out. Okay, inside we got the burner to start your fire. It's so much easier. I love having those inside the box. Okay, I'm reaching in now. I've got a lever here that operates a door in the bottom of the firebox to let the ashes out, to clean out right there. There's the door. This is a good hot surface for whatever you would want to put in a pot while you're smoking or barbecuing up front. So we've got this surface here, just out of the way. And also, if you don't want to use that, another option is to do turkey fryer burner. So you can deep fry anything with your meal, oil, whatever you want to do. Here's a pot ready to go. I've already got a burner inside directly below it. So all you gotta do is fire up that burner or your wood, keep it consistent, and you're gonna have whatever you need in this that deep pot there. Would feed a lot of people. Here's how we're lighting. I've got a LP tank hidden in here in this box. Just turn it on, boom, light your fire, you're ready to go. Okay, next is the exhaust. Here's the linkage and the mechanism to control the exhaust airflow. Gate valve, different positions, however much you want to let through for heat, smoke. Okay. Next, I guess we'll do the shelves. I added this shelf this time. It's a two-piece deal. It slides right off. These bolts slide right off. This gives you a nice workspace when you're pulling your shelves out. And it's too close to this. You don't really have that much room. So this works great for food prep and anything else you want to set on it. Okay, we got next is got the two heat gauges, front and your rear. Here's the internal. The two racks for your food and meat. Okay, and under this one, I'll take this. You can see I've got an extra plate in here. That's where you lay your charcoal bed. So I also have it so it's adjustable in the height. It adjusts about five different positions. This will adjust different positions. If your fire's a little hot, you can drop it down, get it away from the meat. and vice versa. We're cool, just bring it up a little further, and we're good. This is approximately 24 inches by 36, 2 racks. So you got a lot of surface there for a lot of meat. Okay. Oh, I didn't do the water. This is the water inlet. Instead of, a lot of times on my other one, you have to take the rack out. It's a big pain to get water down to your water pan. Here you can just set your pan down at the end of the plumbing, take a water spout, pour it in, fill your pan up, done deal. You can even keep your vessel closed the whole time you're adding water, letting all your smoke out. I think that's it. Other than making a loop.